guys, thanks for visiting my channel again, and I just want to give you a quick review on this one, since I already have this one in almost 4 years. On August now, I get this one 2022, which is to be exact, August 12. And I'm happy to this purchase. I'm still using it now, so I have a very good experience on this one. So I save a lot of money to cut my own hair. I asked somebody to cut my hair too, but most of the time it's I ask what around person that available in my house. So if you look the box, is this one manufacturer technology limited. The brand is Atmoco, so that's the brand. And they have a 5-hour using. You can use this one with the wire, and you can use it without. So as long that you have enough battery, it runs good. They have 10 color combs, so it's easy to notice what kind of color comb you want. So they have a mark color there, and all information is there. LED display, cordless, low noise. And if you want to contact them, that's the contact that you can Google it. And this one, it says 6,000 RPM high efficiency motor, 100 control of your style. And they have a lifetime sharp blade, so you don't need to sharp it. As long every time you used it, you need to oil them and brush the excess hair. And they have a little brush that you can clean yours. And here's the safety cover. Just put it there, just clip it. And here's the wire also. You need your own USB charger. As long that make sure read the information part, what bolts on this one, so that before you use it, to avoid burn your unit. This is the clipper. So let's open it so that I can tell you what it comes with it. They have a very little user manual there. So just if you extend it, it's a little wide that you get your information. So I suggest to read this one before you operate this machine. They have pouch. They have a scissor here. This is the plastic of the unit. They have some comb, and this is the different sizes of and this is the tiny brush that it comes with it to clean the excess hair. And this is the color that I tell you. You can, how many is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the total of there. And this one is only for the mold, so don't eat that one. And there's nothing there anymore. They have another plastic here also. This one is the, if you want to keep in clean, this is a big pouch. It fits everything there. So there's a good plus there, but I never use it since then. And I just put it in a safe place, and so that it's not avoiding some moist. So I think that's it. And see you. I show you a little video to cut my hair, and let's do it. So this one is the quick review on this Atmoco Clipper. Served me already 4 years. I like this one so far. So I save tons of money. The only problem so far, the mechanism inside, it's broke. I just fixed it and then I put some epoxy to work it again. So the stopper stopped. Now it's worked really good. So it's like the original. And I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. This one is only revisited. So it's still kicking for already almost 4 years now. So if you ask me if you can buy this brand, of course, yes. So this is the proof that this one still works. And let's see, I start with a 100% battery earlier. Now let's check it. Now it's only 2% less. It's already cut my hair. And that's the only I can tell. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you in your next one. Bye.